Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to start your free trial of Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to start your free trial, you just simply have to open your Trello into any of your browser. And now, after opening the Trello.com, just simply log into your account and tap into this More button. And after that, simply tap into Workspaces and select your workspace into here. Then after that, you will get the option of Try Premium Free option. So simply tap into Try Premium Free and then tap into this Start Free Trial. And now, after that, your free trial will successfully be started into Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.